seeing something on internet and you want to feel it more, you have to go extra mile. Me, I go extra mile. I will listen for 5 minutes, but I take 50 minutes to research. Let's be honest, guys. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video, but the quick one, hopefully it is going to be very short, and it is about comments. I would love us to go through the comments, and I'm going to take specific video which has been it has had a lot of comments since I think for 80 days, and this is what we're going to react on. I'm not going to be in details, but I'm going to help you answer some of the questions. I'm looking for one video that had a lot, I can say a lot of questions. So the first question is recent, by the way, and this is the one that prompted me to come even when I wasn't prepared to come and react on this. I'd planned to do it any other time, but not right now. But here I am. I'm going to start with one video, with one comment. The comment that they put on the videos, I'm going to put them on the screen. You'll be seeing them on the screen. So this person, this beloved follower, fan of Immaculate Show, whether is today or he joined us long time. So he put for us, madam, let this be working, or he said, let this be working, or meaning from the explanation, he can't believe it that it can work for him. So he's like, if I find it is not working, I don't know what I will do to you, madam. So guys, someone, if you're there and watching videos, I was once like you on YouTube. There's something I want you to do for me and for yourself. Whichever message you see here, if you know your mindset is to kick poverty out of yourself, is to be financially free. Whatever you hear on Facebook, on YouTube, just go, take your time. You find the video is 8 minutes and you watch the whole video. After watching, don't use 2 minutes to research. Use 30 minutes to research about what they are talking about. Research, internalize, and you know what exactly are they talking about. So, because some people, I love people who are saying, I'm eager to learn, I'm interested to learn. That is another comment. Now, things concerning making money and things concerning anything that can better your life, I always tell you, we give 1%, or whatever you see here, anything, whatever you see, even if it is not on making money, you're going to find it is 1% or 1, like this. The 99%, you go and look for them for yourself. How do you look for yourself, and how do you get confirmations? You don't get confirmation by writing comments. Yes, you can get confirmation by writing comments in different ways. A creator, the entrepreneur, can decide to use your comments. Like I use these comments to make another video. I have bunch of ideas now from your comments. Or for you to get more, even if the creator makes a collaborative, elaborative video, it is not going to be, you're not going to really get enough. You are supposed, for example, if the video is about WhatsApp, and it is entitled how to make $30 with WhatsApp, you need to go and get your WhatsApp, look at your WhatsApp, understand, note down, what did they say in the video? Go and note down, can I do it or I can't do it? So, but don't expect that you're going to get everything from the video, from that 8 minutes video. The second way to confirm and understand is to book a masterclass. So anyone who has a doubt, anyone who wants to really make money, is it on WhatsApp? Is it on YouTube? Is it on Facebook? Is it on apps? Is it on websites? What you do, book with Immaculate Show. Okay? then it's when you're going to understand it better. But that seeing something on internet and you want to feel it more, you have to go extra mile. Me, I go extra mile. I will listen for 5 minutes, but I take 50 minutes to research. Then there's another question which said, thanks so much for this information. However, I think you could use it could have done us good if you included demos, illustration of the information you give to us. Yes, I understand. This would be better, and I think in 6 months' time, when I have enough time, I'm going to do that. But for now, I'm doing what I can. At least I bring for you that information. I will not promise that I'll bring demos, I'll bring for illustration, because I work on time. I am a fully employed person, and working in Gulf, you find you're not yourself. So kudos to me even that I have this time. Thank you very much, Cliff, for appreciating. That one in 6 months' time, our videos would be like that. Then there are some people who will ask questions. I'm not going to read them because I don't know. I don't want you to feel bad. If you ever see someone asking a question like, is it available here? Is it available there? It means you have not opened that app. Now this is a tip that I'm giving you. Whenever you get any method, whether it is a website, whether it is an app, whether anyway, as you're watching, go there. This is what I do. As I'm watching, I go to that app to see. Then I follow the prompts. It's when you'll confirm that that person has watched the full video. Okay? Another one is putting, please can you explain more, better understanding? And indeed, this one is better understanding. But as I said, it is very hard for you to get a better understanding from YouTube, from Facebook. You'll have to either take masterclass or put more energy for you. But sometimes we put part 1 tutorial, part 2 tutorial, they are all there. But still someone will tell you, I didn't get anything. Then another one put, request you to teach me, I'm eager to learn. This is one I'm already prompting, I'm already teaching you. The only thing I want you to do is to be attentive and learn. You guys, then another one asked, my problem with you guys is over talking and nothing to hold on to. If you see someone talking like that, then I think I replied. I don't know what I replied, but what am I coming to? His problem is for us to overtalk and nothing to hold on. That means he did not hear anything in whatever we talked. But at least he had something, because what he expected is not what he got. I'm not going to read all of them, but you'll be seeing them on the screen as it goes. You can see them on the screen, the questions. But what am I advising you guys? Don't expect to make money online freely. You have to put in your energy. You have to put in your zeal. You have to put in your time. And even if I tell you that earn $30 per day on WhatsApp, it's not that day you're going to start getting that money. Where did you get that foundation? Where did you get that business that you start to then you get money? Where did you get that business that you only hear and start? You have to invest in your time. You have to invest in your energy, your focus, and look on it. So this is my humble advice to you people who are watching videos and who want to be financially free. First, organize your brains. First, organize yourself. You say, the time I started making money online, I'm now 4 years. I'm proudly saying it. The first 1 year, I was earning peanuts. By the first 1 month, I didn't earn. The first 2 months, I didn't earn. The first 3 months, I didn't earn. But I was learning. I was eager. I was going to paid work, and I get $2. I go here, I get $1, until I got hold of what I want. And what I want right now is to make money while I sleep. And this is what I'm doing. So guys, instead of watching 5 minutes and you think you're going to get everything. I want you to watch 8-10 minutes the full video. After watching the full video, go and follow the steps and research even more and more views, because I want to see you in me next year when you're teaching other people. People in your area, they are waiting for you.